Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing this bed here. Obviously you can see it's not been touched in about 5 months. As you can see, all the work there as well. So they've been having work done. So it's pointless for me to come around here, be in their way. So I've stayed clear of this bit. But as you can see, it needs hypericums taken down, hydrangeas, pyracantha at the back needs stringing up. You've got the berberis there, Montbretia, some bluebells which I need to be careful of. Got the crabapple there. And a small Montbretia and a little buddleia there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the dead down, give it a good rake, tidy it up, and yeah, I'll show you what it's like after I've finished. Okay, so this is a pyracantha, and these look great when they're fully wired in. So all you will need is some garden wire, some vine eyes, and you can fully train these pyracanthas to a great shape. So with this bottom branch here, you would train it along the wire, and it's also will have a branch opposite, which you can train to the right as well. And the same with the ones above. So you get a nice tailored effect, one after each other. And that's what we're going to try and go for. I can't really show you today, because out of the tools, but I'll do another video on this later on, and you'll find it will really look quite good. It looks like nothing now, but once it's been wired in properly, it'll look good. Just another small tip that I found quite useful, which actually I've started doing myself, is with these standard trimmers, they've got the FS40 here, and what it is, it comes with the green wire, which is quite thin, and usually you're supposed to put green wire in it, but it's quite thin, and you'll be finding yourself changing the wire every other job. Like what I've done, I put the thicker wire in, the orange wire. It still works and it lasts so much longer. So there's a little tip for you. I'm not quite sure why they don't put orange in it anyway, but it works much better for me. Okay, so now I've picked up. Obviously, I wouldn't use it blow onto the floor and pick it up because you try and take care, you put something down, but because it is literally a building site at the minute, it's all getting ripped up soon. It's going to get re-landscaped. She's not really too bothered about it. So, hence, in my mind, going onto the floor and picking up. Either way, it's still tidy, but obviously, if it was a new AstroTurf or a new patio, you wouldn't go onto the floor like that. You'd obviously rake it up the beds and you put some covering down, let onto the covering and pick up on the back of the covering. But it's wasting time today because it's literally going to get pulled up for the next week or two. But she wanted a bed sorted for today, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so then once I've held the bed, obviously you can see it's coming over the actual onto the wall. So I do, get the brush. Don't always have to do it, but for me I think it's best practice to get the brush, neaten the edges up.